Orange. Now repeat after me. Orange, orange, orange. Meaning, an orange is a round citrus fruit with a tough, bright orange skin and juicy, sweet, or tangy flesh inside. It is rich in vitamin C and commonly eaten fresh or used for its juice. In a sentence, she peeled an orange and shared the segments with her friends. Here, orange refers to the citrus fruit she shared. Let's try another example. He drank a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice with his breakfast. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using orange. Synonyms. Some related terms for orange are citrus, a category of fruits that includes oranges, lemons, and limes. Tangerine, a smaller, sweeter type of orange. Antonyms. The opposite of orange would be none. As orange is a specific fruit, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Orange is a noun referring to a type of fruit commonly eaten fresh or used to make juice. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.